Namaste everyone. This is Srivalli Konduri, certified yoga trainer. Focus. Focusing on one particular thing, at least for 5 minutes these days, is a very difficult task because we tend to do multitasking wherein same time and effort is put for the other few things also. Sometimes we may achieve the productivity in that, but sometimes, most of the times it is very difficult to get the proper productivity. So few asanas. In today's video, we are going to discuss about few asanas which is going to help you increase your focus levels. Let's get into first asana. Take your hands on your waist. First, let your breath normalize. Now slowly take your one leg on your calf muscle. Place it like this. First, try to balance your body weight on your one foot. Hold there for 20 seconds at least. Now change the position. The other side. For 20 seconds again. Slow down. Now slowly take the help of your palm and then place your foot near your pelvic area. And first gaze at something in front of you. And once you feel that you are stable in your position, slowly take your hands while breathing in and hold the posture. Hold there for at least 20 seconds and slowly calm down. Take your hands down and relax your leg. Slowly observe the sensation. Now we'll do the same thing with the other leg also. Whatever asana we are doing, it has to be done both the sides because it should be balanced properly. Now take your hand, help of your hand, and then place your left foot near the pelvic area. Gaze at something in front of you, gaze at some point or any picture or anything, slowly while breathing in. Take your hands into Namaskar Mudra and hold there. Now slowly hold there for 20 seconds, then relax your breath, relax your hands, then relax your leg. Observe. After every posture, if you observe at least for a while, you'll understand the impact on your body. Just observe. And few more variations in the same Vrikshasana we can do. Keep your hands on your waist. Same thing, first you'll be going to balance your body weight on your one foot. Then lift your leg, hold there. Slowly down. Again lift. Hold there. Throughout this asana, if you gaze at something in front of you, that will really help you increase your focus levels. Slowly down. The same thing you're going to repeat for 10 more times. Lift your leg up, hold there, balance. Slowly keep it down. Same thing with your left. Down. Just relax. Now, second asana. The people who are suffering with insomnia, high BP and any kind of knee injuries or ankle injuries, please avoid during doing Vrikshasana. Now getting into second asana, first comfortably sit in Vajrasana and slowly take a position. Sit comfortably. Dandasana posture. Now raise your both the hands up while breathing in. Stretch your upper body maximum. Now slowly while breathing out, bend forward and hold the posture. Slowly while breathing in, raise your both the hands up. Keep your hands down. Relax for a while. Not everybody can get into Paschimottanasana directly by keeping your upper body completely on your foot, on your knees. But focus completely on yourself only. This will be very helpful for you increasing your focus levels. Now one more time we're going to do the same thing. Dandasana posture. Slowly while breathing in, raise your both the hands up. While breathing out, slowly get into the posture. Hold there at least for 20 seconds. Now while breathing in, raise your both the hands up. Keep your hands down. Relax. Those who are suffering with any kind of spine injuries or any kind of disc replacements, please do not do this. Before doing any asana, it's better you get the confirmation from your doctor. to be on a safer side. This asana has to be repeated at least for 3 times, 30 seconds each count. Slowly observe the sensation. Now, one more asana, one last asana in this video. First, sit comfortably either in Vajrasana or any comfortable posture as you wish. Now, take your hand, stretch your hand straight. Exactly, place your thumb facing towards your eyes. Now we are going to move only the eyeballs, not the complete. Your head position will be looking straight only, but I am going to move my hand position. Observe carefully, I am moving only my eyeballs. Slowly come back. Your complete awareness and concentration should be on the tip of your thumb only. Slowly keep your right hand down. Now same thing with your left hand. Slowly while breathing in, raise your left hand straight. Place your fingers exactly opposite your eyes. Now slowly while breathing in, move only towards your left side, the eyeballs only. Stretch maximum. Slowly come back. Slowly keep your hand down. Close your eyes for a while and observe. Now in this we can do some variations also. Take your right hand straight again, right in front of you. Slowly while breathing in, look up, look down. Your complete awareness should be on the tip of your thumb only, nothing where. Slowly while breathing in again. If you're going to repeat this for at least 10 times, that's going to give you maximum results. Slowly keep your fingers down. Just observe the sensation. Gently rub your eye palms. Keep the warmth on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. If you're going to include these asanas, the balancing ones, Vrikshasana, Paschimottanasana, and the practice that we have done with our fingers now, if you are including it at least for 5 minutes in your daily routine, that is going to improve your focus level for sure. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy.